What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be doing a quick backtesting session. So starting off here, this is Monday, August 26th, 2024. No News Monday. So off the bat, we have a SMT at previous day high. And it looks like this was a big wick, probably from news. We do have a bullish SMT with London and Asia lows. We have this unfilled 1 hour right here. Yeah, we're in a really tough spot since ES and NQ are so uncorrelated. We have a bearish SMT at London Asia highs and a bullish SMT at the lows. So honestly, not too sure how to go about it. Right now we're trading into this 1 hour. And we have another 1 hour above. So we are reacting off that 1 hour. And we have a bearish SMT at London high. Yeah, so we're still fully uncorrelated between ES and NQ. Yeah, and we're not necessarily in any bullish PD arrays on any time frame. So it looks like we're drawing for previous day low, which is that big wick on the 4 hour. Yeah, maybe we get a retracement before then, but if not, there's not going to be an entry for me. So I want to wait until this 15-minute opens up and then trade into it. I'm not going to take any 5-minute here just because we've dumped so much and it's not really going to be an A plus setup for me. All right, and we dump straight through it. And we did have a 5-minute setup with no SMT. All right, so now we have a 4-hour bullish SMT. ES is inside a 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Might get an 11 a.m. reversal here. All right, so we do have a mechanical 3-minute long here. Really bad risk to reward, but well, bad risk to reward to the 5-minute. But we do have a 15-minute up there that we could target for around a 1-to-1. I will enter this, but I'll go break even at the 5-minute. All right, so my break even's been hit there. So we are in a tiny 15-minute bearish fair value gap right now. So, and we did hit 1-to-1, so I'll take a little bit of profits here and just have my final TP at that 15-minute. All right, so we're just chopping around here. Happy I took that small partial just to secure some profits. Looks like ES is breaking down here, so we could go down. All right, TP. All right, so ended up getting about a 1 to 1.06 on that trade. Yeah, and then it runs to break even, so perfect execution there. We'll go to the next day. All right, no news either. So it looks like both pairs are respecting this 4-hour bearish fair value gap. And we did have a SMT and this at this 1-hour high with, or no, we didn't. Or yeah, we did. At this 1-hour high with London highs, and London highs were sponsored. And, however, there's a tiny 1-hour up there that we could trade back to, which I don't expect to happen. See how we react to these 15 minutes right here. Alright, so we took out this 4-hour low, another 4-hour SMT here. We have a 4-hour fair value gap down there that's been unfilled. Could expect price to trade into that. Alright, so we traded back into the 15 minutes. Did not disrespect them. Nope. Only one of them. And we do have a SMT at this high now inside the other 15 minute. Or possibly even an hourly now. Nope. Alright, so NQ traded into this top 15 minute right here. No SMT. Do have an internal SMT. So we also have an internal SMT right here. Go tiny 1 minute. And we have this 3 minute for possible short. Alright, does not happen. So that London session, 1 hour, did get traded into. We have a SMT inside there. Or do we? Yeah, we do. Alright, so we have a SMT at London highs now. Inside the 4 hour. Alright, so we don't have any higher time frame SMT now, so no trades for the day. Let's go to the next day. Alright, we have a SMT at previous day high. Inside the 4 hour again. So looking pretty bearish here. We're respecting this bearish 1 hour. Not in any higher time frame bullish PD arrays, but we do have this bullish SMT, which we'll see how market open plays out. Yeah, open high, it's perfect. Another internal SMT here. And we're in this bearish 15-minute right now. So we have this 2-minute short out of the bearish 1 hour and this bearish 15-minute with the SMT. Just gonna forward test this trade. I don't really like entering this close off of market open, and we do have a bullish SMT at this internal low, kind of making the setup a lower probability. And the stops for this are pretty big. That's actually not that bad. Let's see here. I'll try this, but I'm gonna have to go break even almost immediately on this. Alright, gonna go break even here. We do have a bullish SMT now with this low, so best to be break even. And my final TP at Asia lows. I'm gonna move it down to this 4-hour low I marked out earlier. Just see if we can squeeze out max RR out of this trade. Probably gonna get break even here. Oh, alright. It's gonna be a partial at around 1-to-1. I'm gonna take 50% here. And we'll hold this. Alright, got stopped out at break even. Great partial. This was just a momentum trade, and honestly the stops on this were pretty decent, so I was willing to risk it. Yeah, so ES has not taken Asian low either, so it's probably just a stop raid. Yeah, so it does end up playing out. Unfortunate. We'll see how we react off of the 4-hour low. We do have a bullish SMT now inside this 1 hour. Just get rid of all this. So if we can hold this 1 hour by 10 a.m. open, that'll be good. Alright, so the 1 hour got disrespected. Bro, fucking delete. Alright, most likely gonna draw to previous day low, but not sure if we're gonna get any more trades this session. So we're trading into this 15-minute. And now we have SMT at this 5-minute high. And looks like this 1 minute is the only fair value gap in this whole leg. Honestly, choppy price action. And we have a bullish SMT now at the internal low. Yep, it does not play out. Alright, so we reached into the higher 15-minute. We have a SMT at this 15-minute high now. Did have this 1 minute, but I was not willing to take it just because of how terrible the price action looks. Now we have this 5-minute that we're possibly gonna, oh yeah, we're inversing it now. Yeah, so I like this 5-minute for continuation model short. Do have amazing RR to the previous day low. And ES has not taken out the internal low yet. Perfect. Alright, we're in this. Alright, we've taken out the internal low. Gonna go break even here. Let's see where my 1-to-1 is. So I'll add partials at this internal low. Alright, 1-to-1 has been hit. And there goes TP1. So I'm just measuring out the consequent encroachment of this wick here, since that is also a possible rejection point. Yeah, so I'll add another partial there for a 1 to 2.22 RR. And our first partial was 1 to 1.2, I believe. bro, it's just so annoying. Oh, I don't even think I can add partials anymore. I just have to manually exit. Alright, I'll take another small partial here. And I'll trail my stops a little bit to wick of this candle, or body. Our final TP gets smashed for a 1 to 3.2 RR. Beautiful continuation trade here. I mean, amazing. Just perfect. It's gonna be it for this charting or backtesting session here, guys. Ended up making about 3.7% in 3 days. I believe I took 3 total trades. No trade on, this is Wednesday, so 1 trade Monday, 2 trades Wednesday, no trades Tuesday. So a pretty good backtesting session. Awesome TP here on this last trade, and I'll catch you guys later.